3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
From all the way from Newcastle, UK, Mr. Mark Effinson.
It's so good to be here. Thank you very much for everybody getting here. You're in the Mecca of Newcastle here. We're going to be talking about vision, we're going to be talking about traction. It's going to be fantastic. There's been so much work put into this. Feedback is an area that I think we can really develop.
I think an EA agent like this take a bit of workload off. Becomes interactive, development a lot easier in terms of design.
Hi, my name is Alex.
Hi, I'm Cassie Brownlow.
Hi, I'm Matt.
We're here playing billiards and darts.
I've really appreciated the different types of activities and sessions.
It couldn't be more apparent that INFLO is heading in the right direction, and
It's also just an energy in the room that's been amazing.
Having a wonderful time getting to meet all of our colleagues.
very excited to be a part of this team.
How much you mean to me, how much you support me, how great you are, and I'd be so lucky if you'd be a part of my life forever.
How do we continue to improve our communication across the business? It's just as annoying to have too little communication as to have too much communication. So how do we find the right sweet spot here?
Miscommunication leads to duplication of work and all sorts of things like that.
And then lots of the knowledge and experience. You'll have better problem solving, more accurate data.
And we just noted a lot of these are both internal and external.
We can do it more effectively, we can do it more regularly, and we can really help ourselves all develop through more direct, more candid, more timely feedback.
To deliver the best out of the data that they receive.
And then recording our calls so that we can get that summary transcription so that we can get it more easily into HubSpot.
A lot of requests from different parts of business, from CS, from product.
There's actually quite a lot to think about in terms of communication there.
I'll give some constructive feedback to those I race against.
I'm going to win.
I feel bad for them, but they're going to see my tail lights the whole race.
Yeah, good luck.
nowadays.
Hi, I'm David Sharp.
I'm Joe.
My name is Kara.
Thinking about today and the feedback session,
which I found to be quite empowering.
Giving people those tools that they need.
It's the right feedback as well on how to do it.
To a higher up level.
And also request it.
Because it genuinely feels like it's the right set of people.
Be given the identity as an adult to do what you need to do.
To really propel us into the next step of the company.
It's so amazing to see a 100% virtual team that has so much human connection. Now, I'm a Paralympic high jumper, and I know what you're thinking. What's wrong with you? Gold is a choice. It is decisions that define champions. When you make it more about the team, all of a sudden it gives you a different sense of purpose. It's not just about you, but it's about what this vehicle can do for other people. Maybe it's one person that it makes their life that little bit better. So it's not about me, it's about us.
It's clear because we just win at everything.
So our one highlight for this week was we got to connect with the company as a whole. It's nice to see everyone's faces and be in one place.
Spoke about the final session. I think there's some quite good takeaways there.
The presentation from the Paralympian was fantastic. Your own internal feedback, but then also the one-to-one coaching from Graham as it was going on.
Cracked some nuts, all in the same room. That wasn't the best phrase, was it?
Yeah, moneymakers here, Lee. Come on. I was talking about my face.
My name is Tyler Odusunwo.
Hi, my name's Laura.
Hi, my name's Dan. I'm all the way from Australia.
The team building exercise, I found it very, very useful.
Build a bridge, did things with plastic, cardboard, all that kind of stuff.
To work as part of a team. Yeah, really loved that.
Great, I loved it. I love working at INFLO.
Found Jonathan's speech this morning incredibly inspiring.
I'm honoured to be here, to be honest, and yeah.
See you again next year.
I need a script. I can't work in these conditions.